You're great.
I am.
Today, we're drawing Glinda and the witch in a cute chibi style. Let's start with Glinda first. In chibi style, the head is big and cute, that's the key. And let's draw big round eyes like this. Now let's draw her dress. Give her puffy sleeves and a wide dress to show that princess vibe. Now draw Glinda's soft, wavy hair. And don't forget her sparkling crown. Add little heart shapes to make it extra cute. Great, now let's draw the witch next to her. And now the pointy witch hat. Let's give her a simple magical robe. Your sketch doesn't have to be perfect. Erase and adjust anytime. Just have fun. Draw long, flowing hair for the witch. Now let's start outlining Glinda. Let's outline her face and big eyes slowly. Now let's follow the soft wavy lines of Glinda's hair. Adding line art makes the drawing clean and clear. Use round lines on the dress to keep that princess look. And let's make her sparkling crown nice and bold. Don't forget the little heart decorations. Small, steady strokes make them adorable. Don't press too hard when you outline. Great, now let's outline the Wicked Witch. Start by outlining her face gently. Her expression is calmer and a little mysterious compared to Glinda. Follow the natural flowing curves for her hair. Now outline her pointy witch hat clearly. Her robe is simple, so clean downward lines look great. Add slightly thicker lines on the folds to create more depth. Line art is the moment where the characters come to life. So take your time and enjoy each line. Now let's start coloring. We'll begin with Glinda. Give her warm, light skin tones. Color her hair a bright golden brown or soft orange. Now for her dress, use pink and lavender. Bright colors look perfect on Glinda. Add a little shading on the dress folds to make it look more full and fluffy. Let's color her crown with light blue for a sparkly look. Great, now let's color the witch. The witch's signature is her green skin. Don't color too dark at once. Layer it lightly for a smooth finish. Now let's color her hair and hat with gray and black tones. Here's the important part: shading. Shading keeps the drawing from looking flat. It makes the character pop out. Add darker tones under the hat, between the hair, and in the robe folds. Done. You did an amazing job. Let's draw again next time.